So, hi everyone. I want to introduce myself first. I'm Mark Cleverance Oyabes from BSIT Black 2. So, in this video, let's talk about George Herbert Mead. He is primarily known for his theories of social psychology, particularly his contributions to programmatism. So, George Herbert Mead's theory centers on the development of the self through social interaction, emphasizing that our sense of self is not innate but is shaped by our experience with others. He proposed that the self comprised of the I and the me, where I where represent the individual's spontaneous, impulsive side, and the me represent the internalized social expectations and attitudes of others, ultimate forming their identity. The I is the impulsive, active agent with us. It is the source of our unique thoughts, feelings, and actions. It represents our immediate experience of the world, burdened by social expectation of self-conscious reflection. The I is the part of us that initiate action, responds to stimuli, and drives our creative expression or feelings. Example, you're walking down the street and suddenly want ice cream. This is immediate unflected desire arising from within. And other example, someone tells a joke and bursts our laughing before even thinking about whether it's appropriate for the situation. And let's talk about the me. The me is socialized self, informed through our interaction with others and our understanding of social norms. It is the internalized representation of how we believe others perceive us. The me is constructed through language, social rules, and the ongoing process of the taking the word generalize others' understanding, the expectations and attitudes of the community as a whole. Example, in the highway, even though I might be in hurry, the me reminds me to stop at a red light because I know it's the law and keeps everyone safe. Let's start with Albert Bandura. Concept of self-efficiency. Self-efficiency is a cornerstone of his social cognitive theory, referring to an individual's belief in their capacity to succeed in a specific situation or accomplish a task. Just like this upcoming exam, we need to believe to ourselves that we can pass it. In reviewing Albert Bandura have other concept, and it's observational learning. Learn by observing their like when kids are around. We need to be careful to our words that we're saying cause we know kind kids will learn in us. When they grow, they will learn by watching the action of others or us. Also us, we need to be careful what people we choose to be friends, because if they have bad habits, we will also adopt that